I just lost my tooth today. Earlier in the morning. With some box this. I don't know what this is. But my mom, she just said that she had a surprise for me. And I wonder what it is. Okay. Oh, okay. No, no way. Oh, and then y'all, you're not seeing this, right? Guys, I'll be right back. But, I'm so excited. But I'm gonna ask, let's see which, actually, can work out. But anyways, let's see which one I got. I don't think I got soy milk because sometimes it says no soy milk. So we'll get away from soy milk. But I want toffee, secret, sea salt coconut, green grape, or lychee berry, which is lychee berry. Don't worry about my hair. I woke up like this in the morning. It's not morning, it's like night. Like, I don't know what time it is, but I feel like this is green grape or sea salt coconut. Either this one or this one. I don't know yet. Because I really want those ones. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, my mom said yes, so. I'm gonna look at the card though. Don't look! Here! Don't throw it away, okay? There's nothing else in here, just that. Okay. Don't tell me. So I want green grape, like lychee berry, sea salt coconut, or toffee. Okay, I'm excited.
Which one do you think?
Sea salt coconut. I'm not. But I have green grape. Yeah, green grape. Here's the green grape card. Here's green grape. She's so soft. Okay, so I also have another video about that I just uploaded. So if you guys want to go see, hit that follow button. Go to the other video, the last video. And yeah. But guys, look. I don't think you guys can tell, but it's really spicy. The ears look like this a different color. Oh my gosh, I forgot Serenity. I would be so happy. But I did not get Serenity. I got, you guys already know, but I'm not going to spill the tea. So, let's do this. So guys, let me show you my first. Okay, so this is a labubu, but my very first labubu, which was a labubu. It's ta-da! Okay, the first series, and today, second series. The new one was really soft. Not soft. Soft. Really soft right here. You guys can see that. Look at what I got. So I got this for my birthday party. Then I got this for my birthday, but it's not my birthday. And I got this the very first time. So yeah. Okay. So that was all it, guys. I'm not even joking, but here. Ow. Guys, I'm gonna get something hot. Ew. Okay, that's pretty. I think my labubu's in here. Well, guys, I have more than this. You guys have seen, but I actually have more than this much.
Are you happy with what you get?
Yeah. It gave me 3. I'm just kidding. 1, 2, 3. Guys, my mom did me these nails for me. And here's the card.
3?
What?
You got 3?
No, this one is the one I got.
What's the other one?
These ones?
Mm-hmm.
This one's my first one. This is my first one. This is my first one. First real. Second real. First fake. So, let me show you guys the one I really wanted. Why is his face like that? Hello? Well done. Nobody heard that. Next one, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that didn't make any sound. Well, whatever. Okay, guys, are you ready? If we get the same one, I'm gonna be so mad. Hold up, guys. I got the QR code, but I got the box. Hold up. Okay, guys. Okay, got it back. Some ASMR first. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do ASMR. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? Who is it? Nothing. Cause so right here. So I have this one, and this one. Anyways, you guys, I can see the card. Wait, that's not the card. Now, my next one is, one more time. 4, 3, I don't know. 5, I don't know. 6 of these. And I think 6 of these. I don't remember. But we only got 3 of these. We have 2 more coming up. So, guys, watch out for part 2 and part 3. Bye.